Chapter 9. India Climate.
Weather and climate. The weather of a place refers to the day-to-day condition of air of a place at a particular time.
Climate refers to the average weather conditions of a place observed for a long period of time.
For example, when we say that Kerala is hot and humid or Kashmir is cold, we are referring to the climate of these places. When we say that the temperature in Delhi was 35 degrees Celsius on Tuesday, we are referring to Delhi's weather on a particular day. Climate may differ from one place to another in a country. Factors affecting climate. The climate of a place is determined largely by the following factors. Location with reference to the equator. The farther away a place is from the equator, the colder it is. The northern parts of India are colder than the southern parts. This is because the southern states lie closer to the equator. Height. The higher a place, the colder it is. For example, the higher you go in the mountains, the colder it gets. Distance from the sea. The winds from the sea affect the climate of a place. Places located are neither too hot in summer nor too cold in winter. The climate of a place also depends on the rainfall and the direction of the wind blowing in the region. The climate of a place affects the life of the people. It determines the type of clothes they wear, the kind of food they eat, and the type of crops that can be grown in the area. Seasons of India. India experiences three main seasons. They are summer, monsoon, and winter. Some parts of our country experience two more seasons, namely spring and autumn. Summer. The main features of the summer season are: in the southern part of the country, the temperature starts rising by March and it stays hot till after May. In northern India, summer starts in April. May and June are generally the hottest months of the year. Days are longer than nights. Hot dry winds called Lu blow in the northern plains. Dust storms are common in the northern plains. The cool sea breeze makes summer pleasant in the coastal plains.
By the end of June, humidity becomes high.
Monsoon or the rainy season. The rainy season starts from June and continues till the end of September. The intensity of monsoon of a country depends upon the direction of the monsoon winds. The important features of this season are: the monsoon winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal to the land. They bring heavy rainfall to India. Rajasthan and Gujarat do not lie in the path of the monsoon winds. Hence, they receive scanty rainfall. The coast of Tamil Nadu remains dry during the monsoon season. It receives rainfall during the months of November and January. Agriculture is a major occupation in India. In spite of the modern and developed means of irrigation, agricultural activities depend largely on the monsoon rains. Winter. The main features of this season are: the winter season begins in November and continues till February. December and January are the coldest months in northern India.
Regions lying in the northern mountain are extremely cold.
The northern plains are less cold, while the southern plateau region and the coastal plains experience pleasant weather during this season. Days are shorter than nights. The desert region experiences pleasant days and cold nights. During this season, western disturbances cause rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. Spring. Spring is the season that comes after winter and just before summer. It is neither too hot nor too cold.
It is a pleasant season. In this season, plants bear new leaves and flowers.
Autumn. Autumn falls between the rainy season and winter. It begins to get cold in this season. Many trees shed their leaves.